talking about what's the best place for you guys to buy a home, that is very, very broad. Like that is like broad question. Like, are we talking the United States? Are we talking about in your city? Are we talking about in your town? You talk about doing on a certain street? Are we talking about outside the country? I don't know what we're talking about. But I can say this: the best place to buy a house is where crime is very low. You have a lot of resources, a lot of great communities, and then two, the homes are appreciating fast. That's all I can think about. I think about the appreciation of the homes. I'm thinking about not having any crime. So if you guys have kids, or even if you guys are there, you guys can even rent that property out without a problem if you decide to leave. Try to look at the price of the home and how much equity you're going to be buying into. Also, so if you buy a house, you're gonna have any equity. Those are the things I can think about when you think about where is the best place to buy a home. So that can be somewhere in your city, that could be somewhere in your state, that can be somewhere in this country, or even outside the country. But look for those different things.